Hey our friends, today we're learning how to draw baby Garfield. I hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with me. Let's get started. I'm using my alcohol-based markers to draw with. I also have marker paper to draw on, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom, like a pencil or even a crayon. Let's first start by drawing Garfield's nose right in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw a really small oval. Then we're going to draw his snout. I'm going to draw a little upside down V for his mouth. Then we're going to draw his snout curving around and connecting to the side of his nose. And then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Then let's draw a straight line going up or coming down to his nose. And then we're going to draw his eyes, and they're really big. We're going to start here on the left side. We're going to curve around and then back into the top of his snout. And then we could do the same thing on the right side. We'll curve up, around, and back into his nose. And then we're going to draw the inside of his eyes, or the pupils and iris. We're going to draw a big circle for his really big eyes. And then we'll do that same size circle over here for the other one. And then we'll draw the highlight. We're going to draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. And then we'll draw his pupil, or the black part. We're going to draw a circle, but it connects to the highlight. And we'll do the same thing over here. Then let's color in the pupil. And if I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video for extra time. All right, now we're ready to draw his head. We're going to start up here, and we're going to draw the little fur sticking out. We're going to draw the letter M, but the sides of the M curve out. Then we're going to draw his big head. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw a big oval shape that comes around. Keep going, and then we'll connect into the other side of his fur. Now we need to draw his ears, and we're going to draw two upside down V shapes. One on the left and one over here on the right. And then we can draw the inside of his ears. We'll draw that same upside down V, but smaller inside. Next, let's draw his paws. I'm going to draw two lines straight down from his chin. And then we'll curve around almost like we're going to connect back into his leg, but we'll stop there. And then we'll do that same curve around for the other side, or his other foot. Then let's give him toe lines. We'll draw two curves on the left and also on the right. Now we need to draw his back feet. We're going to draw an oval shape, but only part of it because it's behind his front paws. And we can do that same oval shape on the right side. Then let's draw a smaller circle inside of his foot. This is for the bottom of his paws. And then we can also draw his toe lines. We'll draw two curves on top of his foot. Now let's connect his feet into his body on both sides and also draw his belly. Now we still need to draw his tail. Let's draw the letter U, but sideways letter U right here. And then we'll keep it going and curve around and connect into his foot. Now we got the main shape of Garfield, but we still need to add some of his details, like his whiskers. Let's draw one whisker coming out and up to the left, and they kind of look like raindrop shapes. So they're thick on the outside, but then come down to a point when they connect to his head. Then let's draw that same shape over here. And then we can draw two more on each side. These I'm going to curve down though, and then we'll come back in. And on this side we'll curve down just like we did on the left side. And then let's do one more that's smaller, but still curved, and then back in. Now we still need to add his stripes, but let's do that after we color his whole body orange. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. We're almost finished with our drawing of baby Garfield. He doesn't quite look like Garfield because it needs his stripes. Now you can pause the video to catch up and color your drawings to this point. I used orange for the main body, also used a darker orange for shading, pink for the feet, also for the nose, then yellow for the snout, and a light blue to add shading in the eyes. Now to add the stripes, we're gonna draw a zigzag line right here on the cheek. So I'm gonna start here and we're just gonna add a zigzag, and then it kind of gets to a point or kind of a triangle, sideways triangle shape. Let's add another one. So I'm gonna draw a zigzag. This also makes him look furry. So there's another stripe, and then we'll add one more stripe down here. So let's repeat those same 3 stripes on the right side. We'll start big and then add the zigzag but get smaller towards the inside of his head. Then we could do the same thing for the second stripe and also the third stripe. He also has little stripes up here on his ears. Add 3 little spikes. Then for his tail, he has little stripes on his tail, but the end of his tail is dark. So I'm gonna add zigzags here, but color in the end of his tail so it's solid black. He also has stripes on his back, but I don't think you can see them from the front view. I'm gonna do one more thing and trace around the outside to make the line thicker. I just like how it looks. And to add the last little touch, I used my acrylic paint marker to make the highlights in his eyes bigger and also a second smaller one. And we're done. We finished coloring and drawing baby Garfield. He turned out really cool. And I'm sure your drawings look awesome too. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing baby Garfield. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.